this is Carrie from the Radnor Library, and today for our family wellness check-in, I'm sharing with you guys a couple resources for free ebooks and audiobooks for kids. And these are in addition to the sources that we all have already been providing for a little while through the library, which you may be familiar with, Libby and Hoopla apps, as well as Bookflix, TrueFlix, and TumbleBooks. So those are some sites that we've already been providing that you can download and stream ebooks and audiobooks. And then I also wanted to mention a couple new ones that you may not have heard about before. The first one is a program that's being offered by Audible, which is normally a paid subscription to audiobook content. But right now, while schools are either closed or offering limited in-person instruction, they are providing this program called Audible Stories, and it is making available an incredible collection of stories that you can instantly stream, including titles across several different languages, and with their goal of helping students to continue dreaming, learning, and just being kids, which is a great goal. Obviously, same one we have here at the library. All of the audiobook stories are free to stream on your desktop, laptop, phone, or tablet with no login required. So that's a wonderful resource, clearly just for a limited time only during the pandemic here. So it seems like a great thing to take advantage of and check out their collection. Another resource is available through the Delaware County Libraries website, as Radnor is part of Delaware County Libraries. They have a new service called Capstone Interactive eBooks for Kids. And basically it's primarily focuses on two different collections. It has a lot of multicultural and diverse titles for K through 5, and they also have STEM titles for elementary school as well as middle school. So Capstone Interactive eBooks, which you can access through the Delaware County Libraries website, and the nice thing is you actually don't even have to log in with a library card. You can just access them immediately for free, and they are available to many users at once. You don't have to, wait on anything that's currently checked out by somebody else. A couple other individual ebook titles are available through the county, specifically about coronavirus. One is called Coronavirus, a Book for Children, and it's written by Elizabeth Jenner, Kate Wilson, and Nia Roberts. And the second one is We're Going to Be Okay, Staying Safe, Healthy, and Optimistic During the COVID-19 Pandemic. And that's written by Dr. Ebony Jade Hilton and Dr. Leanne Webb. And lastly, Delaware County Libraries created a short video tutorial that talks you through how to quickly get to the children's ebook and audiobook resources on their site. So that's a great tool for parents as well as for teachers to use if you've not explored what's available on the Delaware County Libraries website. Maybe you've only used what's on the Radnor Library website, but Delaware County Libraries has these capstone books as well as a couple other ebook and audiobook sources for a wide range of ages. So I encourage you to check that out as well, and I will link to these sources in the description below. Thanks so much for checking this out today.